Morning.
Hi.
And could I get you to sign?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Thank you. Yep.
Thank you. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm so excited to share with you the Simula at Wakas physical CD. Yay! So it arrived now. I've got it from CD Japan when they had the pre-order last month, and now it's finally here. So I will be doing unboxing video for this, and also to celebrate 300 subscribers in this channel. Yay! 300 subscribers. I'm gonna be sharing some announcement which is so exciting. Soon, SB19 is coming to New Zealand! Yay! So we finally had the announcement yesterday that they are coming to Auckland, and yes, abangan po natin ang mga next updates because the selling of the tickets will be announced soon, and other details will be coming up as well. So just subscribe to my channel and I'm gonna keep updating you guys since it's here in my home. So I mean in Auckland, New Zealand. So I'll be sharing what I can share, like kung ano yung alam kong ganap, and hopefully we'll get to see the whole stuff as well that they've been doing in other stops. Like sana magkaroon din ng busking, we don't know. Airport ganaps, I don't know too. If there would be airport pickups. Also some guestings here. I don't know if they're gonna do some guestings like radio shows or TV shows. We don't know, but we'll see how it goes. So yes, that's the announcement. I've got two things: unboxing the CD Japan Simula at Wakas physical CD, and the announcement of New Zealand stop for the concert. Yay! So yeah, stay tuned guys, and I'll update you. Thank you. Oh, by the way, I forgot. So I would like to say thank you for everyone who have subscribed to my channel. So far we are 300 in this channel, which means so much to me. So I'm not really intending to make this channel really big, or I'm not expecting it to be as big as what others are doing. But I'm very happy where it is going right now. Like the analytics are doing good. And also I'll just do my best because guys, it's quite hectic schedule at the moment, especially with work, family, and also other ganaps outside SB19, and also with SB19, like when they're coming here in Auckland. So definitely I'll try my best to keep uploading videos na sana magustuhan nyo din. But so far I'm so happy with 300 subscribers. So yay, thank you so much guys, and yeah, hope you like my next coming videos. my God. My photo. Ah, so nice. Look at that. Oops, I can see myself. Ah, ang ganda. Ay, OT5 talaga ako. Look at that. Yay! Love it. Okay, I need to make this. Oh no, ayoko siyang buksan. But I have to because I will not able to see what's inside if hindi ko siya bubuksan. Order na ako isa pa. Hindi nakabukas. Dahan-dahan para matago ang plastic. Uy, plastic. Wait. Okay. Sana matanggal siya ng ganda. Ayun, very good. Yes. Ah, success. Natanggal ko siyang maayos. Okay. Ooh. So, dito. Tadang! Dan, 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 dan. Ganda, ha? Wala naman tayong CD player. Uy, ang ganda, Daddy. Ay! Uy, may picture pa ulit. Ay, si Stel! Oh my God, napapasigaw na to. Ah! Ang ganda, ha? Oh my God. Oh my God. Ang ganda. Ay, ang ganda! Ang ganda!